Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Dirt Path Exploration. Today, we traveled to St. Peter to take a hike at 7 Mile Creek. The trail is a dirt path that is about 4.5 miles, which took us about an hour and 45 minutes to complete. The trail starts at the end of the road into 7 Mile Creek. There are a few parking lots that you can stop at before then, but keep driving to the back to get to the trailhead. Although if you're looking for a playground for the little hikers, there are 2 you pass on your way in that could be used as incentive for them to continue or complete the hike. The hike can essentially be broken up into 2 sections. The first loop, which is relatively flat, and a nice peaceful walk that you can take little hikers with relative ease. It's a little over a mile, but well worth the trip. The second portion is a much longer loop with an optional prairie hike that takes you up on the rim of the valley. This is a longer distance as well as contains several elevation change points that are less than ideal for younger hikers. This part begins after the 2 bridges that are in short succession. A quick note on this trail is that there are horse trails that join and weave throughout the paths, so it's good to keep aware of your surroundings and respect any riders. The trails are quite wide, and sharing the path shouldn't be a problem. The trail is almost entirely in the forest, so the sun shouldn't be a significant concern. However, I'd be prepared for a potential of significant bugs, as the land near the creek can get wet and muddy and allow for significant bug populations to form. My favorite part of the hike was the raised prairie section. It's across the bridge that leads to the longer portion of the hike and requires some elevation change quite quickly to get to the side of the bluff. You're greeted with a small patch of prairie grass, then a large farm field. But there's a bench to appreciate the prairie grass or recover from the rapid climb, as I did. After you continue through the small patch of prairie, the trail turns right and brings you into a thick patch of young tree growth. And it was at this section of the trail that I spotted 3 deer, but they spotted me first and sped off in the other direction, quite quickly. It loops around the area before bringing you back to the trail you came from, but it's a worthy addition as the prairie is small but beautiful, and it's less traveled than the rest of the hike, so you're more likely to run into wildlife. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Also, don't forget to let us know your favorite trails in your local area.